Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix the problem of login problem on the application of Pinterest. You should to focus and follow me step by step. In the first, we will go to settings as you see and you will click. Here in this page, you will go down until you find this window of apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page of apps, you will scrolling down until you find this application of Pinterest and you will click here. After that, in this page of app info, you will go to permissions as you see and you will click. Here on this page, you will check if everything here of permissions that are allowed. You will find here contacts, as you see, you will find it allowed. Here you will find notifications, also it is allowed. Here photos and videos, but camera, location, microphone not allowed. But here you have options. You can choose if you want to allow your camera or not. So this is not problem, but the important permissions that you should to allow it, as you see here in this list: contacts, notifications, photos and videos. Then you will return to this page of app info. You will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here in this page, you will go to storage and you will enter. After that, in this page of storage, you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. So you should just click on clear cache only, not clear data, just clear cache. After that, you will go to this window of Play Store and you will click here. After that, you will go down to click on this sign of search. Here in this page, you will go to above. You will search about the application of Pinterest. Here in this page, if you find update in this blue sign, of course you should to update your app. But if all these steps not working with you or not solving your problem, then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. After that, you will go to the application of Pinterest and you will click. As you see, you will click on the application of Pinterest and you will enter. Here in this page, you can choose if you want to add your email address and you will click continue to create a new account. But if you have already an account here, you can click on continue with Facebook or continue with Google. For example, I will click here on continue with Google as you see, and then I will choose the email that I want to log in. As you see here in this page, you will find this window like this and you will click agree and share. You will find this page after you choose your email, then you will click here agree and share like this. And here you can choose your birthdays. You can choose any birthdays you want here. Then you will click OK. And after that you will click on next. And here you can choose your gender. For example, you can choose anything you want. You will choose your country or region. You will choose that everything here are an interest in, and then we'll when you will choose it, for example like this, then you can click next. And here you can find a lot of images. You can choose any image you want, for example like this, and then we click here next. And as you see, you can know how to fix the problem of login problem on the application of Pinterest, as you see. And you will find a lot of images here, and you will find that your accounts are logging in. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention. Goodbye.